Oh, you gotta watch just regular beans.
No, regular beans.
Okay.
Put the goggles on, boys. Back up. We're pretty damn close.
This is cream and mushroom soup.
I know.
We're pretty close.
It'll be a while.
Okay, you needed the truck unlocked? There it is.
Jeez.
Did it pop?
Go, beans, go. You don't have any beans.
That's cream and mushroom.
Cream and mushroom.
Oh, hell.
It's too
All the pops. Ooh. It's like popcorn.
pop. Boom.
This one the can on a fly.
That's funny. I thought that was it, pal.
Boom.
Now the soup's hot. Anybody want some soup? You stand out there and with your bowl.
There's another chair.
There's a lot of expansion already.
It's kind of warmer, huh?
Yeah.
Fire's not as warm this distance, is it?
Told you.
I'd say cream and mushroom.